in back of the 40.
Okay.
Yo. He's moving, he's moving. Where is he? Right there. Dimes is right there. There. All right, now he moved up too. The ref is now in front of the snake. Now watch the right.
Dimes found me.
Yo, bump up. You got it easy.
Snake's hot or what? Dimes is posted in.
Dimes is looking out right.
No, Dimes is in now.
Junior, right in front, center. Dimes.
Dimes is posting inner. Sorry, towards left tape. He's on me. He's tight too.
To where? No, because Dimes is shooting.
Yeah, good job, good job.
Maybe. Where's that ref at? Right there. Stay where you are, Dylan. Just look towards that snake.
Inner. Hey, is our side on 50 or their side on 50?
Their side's not 50. I think Junior's in the middle.
He's in the actual tube, right side. Not anymore, he's out. Let him out.
Let him out.
Sorry, buddy.
Can you put him in? Put him in. Who's ready, Dimes? Put him in.
Dimes is posting on me towards left side tape. Woo.
Make it.
Right side tape trying. All right, refs on right side tape trying to put me in.
Where's Dimes?
Dimes is still in my mirror. Facing in right now towards center field. Watch that right side tape. He's got me pinched.
Oh,
You all right?
yeah.
Still live, don't worry about it.
Is he still in?
Son of a...
Are you still in?
Right. Back right. Dimes is in
Dimes is in my mirror. Right now he's posting inner field.
He's out, ref's going.
All that's left is Dimes?
Ref's going. Yo, ref's going.
Is all that's left is Dimes?
Oh, Dimes, you're over. You're over. Who blasted me in the head?
That was me, sorry.
Oh, God.
You were in the tube.
You seen?
Yeah, your whole barrel was sticking out.
Oh, the gun was sticking out?
I saw just the tip of your barrel sticking out. I'm like, what the hell? So I called out. I asked if our guy or your guy was in the tube, and they're like, you're in the fish. And I'm like, it's got to be him. And right when I said that, you stuck your head out like this.
Oh? Hello. Dude, I was just about to shoot and I was seeing.
I have your whole conversation on my video.
What, baby?
I said I have your whole conversation on my
funny.
video.
I'm pissed I didn't get him.
You did good.
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna feel that one tomorrow.
Trust me. Come this way.
Oh.
Shoot over my shoulder. He's out. Let him out. Because if he kept walking this way, Dimes would have turned, and if he ran this way, it would have sprayed both of us.